Hi, it's Faceless Tech. I think I've got a first, for me anyway. The first time I've ever made a version 2 of a product. What it replaces is this Atmega screen, which is, as you can guess, an Atmega 328, an 2-line 16 character LCD screen, RGB LED, couple of buttons, connected to USB to a Raspberry Pi, and was fed data from a Python script to serial. What I've done is I've gone straight from the Raspberry Pi's GPIO, which makes sense. You're cutting out the middleman there, aren't you? What this has is a OLED screen, some WS2812s, a nice 8 ring of, a BMP180 temperature sensor for temperature locking. There's a shutdown button, which I've done separately, but I've incorporated into this project. A reset button, which is not yet connected because the run pins are here on the Raspberry Pi Zero, where this button is, and the Raspberry Pi 2 they're over here, so I'm going to have to put jumpers if I want to use it on that. What it's got here is the weather, which gets pulled from Weather Underground, which is a great service. It's got apps, and you can develop your own apps with Python APIs. It's got there's the temperature outside, and it's got the indoor temperature from the temperature center. And this ring, the hotter it gets, the more it lights up. And then when it gets to there's like the color different temperature gradients from 0 to 10. This is the blue, and then when it goes 10 to 20, it goes orange. And then obviously if it goes to like 11, it'll go around, or it'll go to orange and start again at 1. Start again at the 1, and then it'll go up as it goes to 20. Then after 20, it'll go to red. It'll start going around. And this is the 90 degree header that I've used. It's a 2x20 90 degree header. Get them on eBay and Adafruit. And I'm also using here for the Wi-Fi. It's connected by one of these little tiny on-the-go cable thingy-mabobs. You get them on eBay as well. They're pretty handy. Less cables. This was basically for the Hackaday Prize, the Hackaday Raspberry Pi contest. Kind of give me a bit of a kick up the ass really to make something Raspberry Pi orientated and use my Raspberry Pi up. And it's got the shutdown button, which I'll demonstrate now. The light will come on, and it'll turn off when it's, as you can see, it gives it the, and there you go, you can turn it off now. And that's it. As usual, all the code and other things, there's a previous blog post for this as well if you want to give it a butchers, and all the code, everything will be down there in the link. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.